The 2025 Toyota Fortuner Hybrid is a game-changer in the SUV segment, combining power, efficiency, and modern technology to meet the evolving demands of consumers. As the world shifts towards sustainability, Toyota has taken a bold step by electrifying its popular Fortuner lineup, ensuring that the rugged and reliable SUV remains relevant in an era of stricter emissions regulations and growing fuel efficiency concerns. This hybrid variant promises to retain the essence of the Fortuner while delivering an enhanced driving experience with improved fuel economy and lower environmental impact. Toyota has established itself as a pioneer in hybrid technology, with a strong track record in models like the Prius, Camry Hybrid, and RAV4 Hybrid. With the Fortuner Hybrid, the company extends its expertise into the full-size SUV category, offering a perfect blend of off-road capability, urban drivability, and eco-friendliness. The new powertrain pairs a robust internal combustion engine with an electric motor, ensuring ample power without compromising efficiency. While Toyota has yet to reveal the exact specifications, industry experts anticipate a 2.8-liter turbo diesel hybrid or a 2.7-liter petrol hybrid, both optimized for performance and fuel savings. One of the standout aspects of the Fortuner Hybrid is its significantly improved fuel economy. Traditional diesel and petrol models of the Fortuner have always been known for their strong but thirsty engines, making fuel consumption a concern for many buyers. The hybrid technology helps address this by reducing dependency on fossil fuels, particularly in city driving conditions where the electric motor takes over at lower speeds. This means lower running costs and fewer visits to the fuel station, a major advantage for long-distance travelers and city dwellers alike. Additionally, Toyota's regenerative braking system ensures that energy lost during deceleration is recaptured and used to recharge the battery, further enhancing efficiency. Performance remains a key priority for the Fortuner Hybrid. Toyota has engineered the system to provide seamless power delivery, with the electric motor assisting the combustion engine for instant torque and smooth acceleration. This results in a more refined driving experience, particularly in stop-and-go traffic and off-road conditions. The hybrid powertrain also improves low-end torque, making the Fortuner even more capable when tackling rough terrains, steep inclines, or water crossings. Off-road enthusiasts will be pleased to know that Toyota has retained the SUV's legendary four-wheel drive system, ensuring that it remains a formidable choice for adventure seekers. The 2025 Fortuner Hybrid also comes with updated suspension tuning to accommodate the added weight of the battery and hybrid components. Toyota has worked to maintain the SUV's stability and comfort, making long drives more enjoyable. The refined suspension system, combined with enhanced noise insulation, results in a quieter and smoother ride, whether on highways or rough trails. Additionally, Toyota's electronic power steering (EPS) system improves maneuverability, making the Fortuner easier to drive in urban settings despite its large size. The exterior of the 2025 Fortuner Hybrid receives subtle yet impactful updates, aligning it with Toyota's latest design language. A bolder front grille, sleek LED headlamps, and redesigned bumpers give the SUV a more aggressive and modern look. Hybrid badging distinguishes this variant from its conventional counterparts, signaling its eco-friendly credentials. The aerodynamic enhancements, including revised air intakes and underbody panels, contribute to better efficiency and stability at high speeds. New alloy wheel designs and color options add to the vehicle's appeal, ensuring that it remains a head-turner on the road. Inside, the Fortuner Hybrid boasts a premium and tech-savvy cabin designed for comfort and convenience. Toyota has incorporated high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and enhanced ergonomics to create a luxurious feel. The updated infotainment system features a large touchscreen display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone connectivity. A digital driver's display provides real-time information on hybrid energy usage, battery levels, and fuel efficiency, ensuring drivers stay informed about their vehicle's performance. Comfort is a top priority in the Fortuner Hybrid, with ventilated leather seats, dual-zone climate control, and an advanced sound system making every journey enjoyable. The SUV retains its 3-row seating configuration, offering ample space for passengers and cargo. Whether for family trips or business use, the Fortuner Hybrid's versatile interior ensures practicality without compromising on luxury. Multiple USB charging ports, a wireless charging pad, and a panoramic sunroof further enhance the cabin experience, catering to modern lifestyle needs. Toyota has equipped the 2025 Fortuner Hybrid with a comprehensive suite of safety features under its Toyota Safety Sense (DSS) package. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring ensure peace of mind on every drive. The hybrid variant also benefits from an improved electronic stability control system, ensuring superior handling in challenging conditions. Toyota's robust body structure, reinforced with high-strength steel, provides excellent crash protection, making the Fortuner Hybrid one of the safest SUVs in its class. The introduction of the hybrid variant also contributes to Toyota's broader goal of reducing carbon emissions. With stricter global regulations on fuel consumption and pollution, the Fortuner Hybrid positions itself as a future-proof option for consumers looking to invest in a long-term, eco-conscious vehicle. Many countries offer tax benefits and incentives for hybrid and electric vehicles, which could make the Fortuner Hybrid a more cost-effective choice in the long run. Toyota has taken customer feedback into account while designing the 2025 Fortuner Hybrid, ensuring that it meets the needs of diverse markets. Whether in Southeast Asia, Australia, the Middle East, or Latin America, the Fortuner has consistently been a bestseller, thanks to its reliability and ruggedness. The hybrid variant strengthens this reputation by addressing fuel efficiency concerns while maintaining the vehicle's core strengths. Fleet operators, government agencies, and adventure enthusiasts will find the Fortuner Hybrid an attractive option due to its lower operating costs and improved drivability. Toyota's decision to electrify the Fortuner also reflects the broader industry shift toward hybrid and electric mobility. While full electrification may still be a few years away for large body on-frame SUVs, hybrid technology serves as the perfect bridge between traditional combustion engines and fully electric powertrains. By adopting a hybrid system, Toyota ensures that the Fortuner remains relevant in an increasingly competitive and eco-conscious market. Pricing for the 2025 Fortuner Hybrid is expected to be slightly higher than its conventional counterparts due to the advanced powertrain technology. However, the long-term savings in fuel costs and potential government incentives could offset the initial premium. Toyota's strong resale value and reputation for durability further make the Fortuner Hybrid a wise investment for those looking for a dependable and future-ready SUV. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Hybrid is an exciting addition to the brand's lineup, blending legendary reliability with modern hybrid technology. It caters to the evolving demands of SUV buyers who seek performance, efficiency, and sustainability in one package. With its refined driving experience, improved fuel economy, and advanced safety features, the Fortuner Hybrid stands out as a compelling choice for families, adventurers, and professionals alike. As the automotive industry moves toward greener solutions, Toyota's hybrid innovation ensures that the Fortuner remains a dominant force on and off the road for years to come.